Hello everyone, this is Ami Diamond from SharePoint Wizard. I would like to show you a new feature with Copilot in OneDrive or SharePoint, how we can extract data from images. So I'm now in the OneDrive, and I will go, for instance, to Media, and I will choose, for instance, this slide picture. Now, once we couldn't do much with it, but what we can actually do is we have now this Copilot icon, and we can ask all kinds of questions. So first prompt let's try is explain the image. So I clicked on it and I will play it, and I will ask the Copilot to go to the picture and to explain to me more or less what it's all about. So it says the name of the title is slide 43. The Microsoft Copilot logo is displayed. The main title is Microsoft 365 release notes. And you see here all of the information. Now it offers me some additional prompts to do, but let's try to extract the data, the text. So this time I will wait until it extracts the data. What we can do in this case, we can just copy it and paste it to anywhere we want. So it says, here's the extract text from slide 43, Microsoft 365 release note. Here we have this, latest features. So all of this is possible now to copy, and that's really nice. And I can analyze the image using some other file. Currently, I don't know what file I should use, but let's try it. So this is in OneDrive, but let's, for instance, go to SharePoint. So this is a theme site, and I uploaded the file. And as you can see, the behavior is the same. Here I actually have an additional option of editing in app. I will click here and let's see what it can give me. So explain the image. We will see that we have here an image that shows some text, a picture. So let's see what it gives us. So as you can see, it says screenshot shows a file explorer window and pop-up, and it splits it to key points of the image and even availability. Now I would actually want to ask him about the colors. So what colors are in the picture and what do they do? So I want some insights about this slide. Let's make it even smaller. Maybe it will help. No, it doesn't really help, but we will wait and see. So it's getting everything here. Now, for instance, I had a picture that it was highlighting some text, so it could identify that. And let's look what it says. So the image is called that. The primary color is as following: blue, white, black dark, light gray, and yellow, orange. Those colors appear in the side icon in the desktop. Wow, that's amazing. What do the colors do? The blue highlights the important actions. The white creates a cleaner, uncluttered look, and the yellow and orange icons. Overall, so it's really nice. Listen, and we can write anything. So let's just say extract the text, because I want to use it for my presentation. So we will wait and we will see that actually it's taking it. So it says archive, file support, archive item stays visible in the File Explorer if a user opens one and gets a prompt, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so you understand how powerful it is, and you can make from this maybe a presentation, take the text to do whatever you want. So hopefully you learned something new and test it out in OneDrive or in SharePoint or anywhere where you can want to. If you like my channel, subscribe, and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.